In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from the reports area to a saved, shareable custom report that answers the right business questions. Start by opening your Zoho CRM account and heading to Reports. You can find reports in the main navigation. This is the hub for all your analytics, both pre-built and custom. Before you begin, make sure your user profile has access to view and create reports in your workspace. Click Create Report. This opens the report builder. Keep your goal front and center. What decision are you trying to support, and which metrics do you need to see? That clarity will help you choose the right data sources in the next steps. The builder will ask you to select the primary module. This is the main table your report will be built from. The records you primarily want to list or analyze, such as leads, accounts, contacts, deals, or activities. Pick the module that best represents the core subject of your question so your results stay focused and actionable. Click. Continue to confirm your choice. Zoho will now guide you to enhance the report with related information from other modules. Next, select the parent module and the child module. The parent acts as the anchor data set, and the child is the related set you want to pull in. For example, to see each lead along with its related activities, choose leads as the parent and activities as the child. Keep the join logical and relevant. Combining unrelated modules can create confusing or empty results. Then select the relationship type. This controls how parent and child records are paired. Choose the option that matches your intent. For instance, include only parents with matching child records when you want activity-specific results, or include all parents even if they have no children when you're checking for gaps in engagement. Getting this right ensures your counts, totals, and summaries reflect reality. Click Done to confirm the modules and the relationship. If the preview doesn't look right later, you can always come back and refine these selections. Click Continue to proceed. At this point, the builder finalizes your structure and prepares the report for saving. Take a quick glance to ensure the data aligns with your goal. Finally, click Save. Give your report a clear searchable name and a concise description so teammates know when to use it. If prompted, place it in the correct folder and share it only with the roles or teams that need access. Good naming and access hygiene make reports easy to find and maintain. That's it. You've created a custom report in Zoho CRM by choosing a primary module, defining related modules and relationships, and saving it for your team. Open the report, review the results, and iterate as your needs evolve.